Hey everyone, my name's Katie and I'm glad to see you today. In this video, we're going to go over our sales tax client approval and payment task. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. And then you're going to want to go and view that template. So we're going to go to Run Templates, Tasks. And then we're going to go ahead and open that template to review everything involved. So we've got our template name. We've got it assigned to the role of preparer. It starts today and is due in 2 days. And our subtask is to send a message to a client with the prepared returns attached for e-signature and a linked invoice. Then you're going to want to click Save and Exit. This is normally going to be part of your sales tax pipeline. But today we're going to assign it as a one-off task so that you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. So the first thing you're going to do is click New, Task. We're going to assign it to our test account. We're going to select the correct template. And now we can see that it's assigned to the preparer role. Again, we have our start date and due date, and we have our subtask at the bottom. The next thing you're going to do is click Create, and you're going to see that it has been assigned to our client. Once you see that it's been assigned to the client, you can go ahead and click on it. And this is going to be what it looks like once it has been assigned. You can see that I was the preparer assigned to that role. You got your start date and end date, and then you have your subtask. Once you've completed your subtask, you can go ahead and check it off. And then you can go ahead and mark your status as completed on the task when you completed the entire task. This will move your job forward in your pipeline, and it will remove this task from your active tasks. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.